Oh, it's just a video about filling in this weird shape. Let's fill in this weird shape. La 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 la. We're having our fun. And oh shit, it bleeded. Oh no, oh no. So guys, what I will show you today is how to use the colorless blender. You can blend with it, which is pretty shit. But you can also do this. If your color goes out and bleeds out like that, just push it in. Push it in. How would you give a child some food? You smack the food in their face and then you push it in into their throat. Okay, that's not some. Okay, I'll stop. Yeah, guys, what you basically do is just this. You push the ink in, so it can take some time. But after it dried, it looks normal again and better than what I did in filling in the colors. La 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 la. Why does it look fucking yellow? I think the ink, that's okay. I'm just gonna justify this yellow thing here. This isn't the pink, it's the rollable. Yeah. So that's how you do it, guys. It would be nice if you subscribe. Like, wait, these guys actually like their subscribers and edit their videos. What noobs. In the right corner you will see sub button. Please put the button and activate the bell. Activate the bell so it rings. Nice guys, sub to my channel.